If you want to know how to make all videos private on TikTok at once, you've come to the right place. So in order to do this in the easiest way, we just simply need to open our TikTok. And after that, we can open our profile. So click on profile icon in the right bottom corner. And if we try to open like videos, we can simply change the settings to make them private. So click on more in the right bottom, then just scroll like down side menu, find privacy settings, and then we can just simply change it to like only me or something like this. But what if we need to like make private a lot of our videos we have on this platform? Do we have the solution? Yes, in order to do it, we need to click on more in the right top corner on these three lines. Then click on settings and privacy. So after that, here we need to scroll down to find support and about area. And then we need to click on report a problem. The next step we need to do is that we need to find the necessary topic. We need to click on videos and sounds right up here. After that, we need to find like editing video, or maybe we can go to posting videos or like managing videos. In my case, I'm going to click on other in the bottom of the screen, but you can try to find the most suitable topic as for you. As for me, it's like other, and then we can easily click on other once more. So here we need to click on view feedback if you have some feedback here, and we need to click on reply. But sometimes you can just simply like paste your message in the form. It will show a little bit later. So here we need to explain our problem, what we would like to fix. So basically we need to input something like this. Hello, I need to make all videos private. Help me please. And after that, we can also try to add some images or screen recordings if it's necessary, but I'm going to click on submit, and our feedback will be automatically sent to TikTok support team, and in a few hours or maybe 1 or 2 days they will help us to fix this problem, and you'll receive some notifications on TikTok was it fixed or not. So this is the only one way of how to make all TikTok videos private at once. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.